So hello everyone. Today we have a new problem which name is reach a given score. So it's a GFG problem and an easy problem, basically based on recursion. So consider a game is where a player can score 3 points, either 5 points, either 10 points. Okay, given a total number of score and find number of distinct combination to reach this given score. If n equals to 10, then we have two ways. Like we can create this using 5, 5, and we can create this using 10 directly. If n equals to 20, so we can create this using 5 4 times, then 3 3 3 3, and this case also this case. So what we are doing basically in this case is we are taking an element or we are not taking an element. We have two choices. Like it's a coin based problem. In lead code also, in lead code we have a problem like a coin based problem. In that problem what we will do is कि, either we will take that element or we will not take that element. So in this case also either we will take that coin point or we will not take that point. So let's do the code directly, and with the code I will explain you about this why I'm using this. So I will use the memorization approach. So let's directly create a DP vector int DP of size 3. I will tell you why I'm using size 3, comma, sorry, it's a 2D DP actually. I'll create a 2D DP. So vector of int DP of size 3, comma, vector int of size n plus 1, sorry, comma, minus 1. It's a 2D DP. Now before creating the 2D DP, what I will do is I will create a values also, values vector. So int vector int value, in a value I will pass 3 5 10. So value equals to 3 comma 5 comma 10, because I have to use all these three values. Okay, so we have created this. Now what I'll do, I'll create a function, so I will have to return that function. So let's return solve of, I will traverse from back. So I will take the index 0 1 2 second index, then n comma this dp array also was. Okay, now I have to create the solve function. So let's create the solve function. Long solve function. In solve function, what I have to pass is I have to pass index, comma, uh, and so it will be long long int n, comma, this vector array. So vector of int dp. So I'll pass by reference. So this I have to create. Okay, so anything in this yeah. So I have to write the base case. So what will be the base case? If let's think, if n is less than 0, if my n is less than 0, so no need to take this, means no need to do anything. I will directly return 0 in that case. Okay, if n equals to 0, if my n is 0, so it's a good case. यही तो मेरे को चाहिए. So in that case I will return 1. So it's a memorization, so I have to write a dp of index of n not equals to minus 1. So in that case I will return dp of index of n. So it's a memorization, तो ये तो लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, ये तो सबको पता होगा. If I want to pick that element, if I am picking that element, so I have to check if my value, जो value of that index है, ठीक है, जो मेरा value उसका वो बना रखा है of that index should be less than equal to n. अगर मेरी जो value है, value of that index is value of that index means 3 5 10 of that index, अगर मेरा वो n से कम है, ठीक है, in that case I can pick. So let's create int take or not take equals to 0, int not take equals to 0. If I am picking that element, so I have to write this condition. So now I can pick take equals to function call is solve of index. I have to increase the, sorry, decrease the index. So index minus 1, sorry, it will be like we are using the index, but if we are taking the number, then it will be index, because we have taken that number, common, comma, n. So it will be uh, n minus value of that particular index. So index, comma dp, sorry, comma dp. Here I have taken that element. If I don't want to take that element, so int not take, sorry, not take equals to solve function, what I have to pass is index minus 1, because I have to, if I am not taking that element means I am skipping that element, so I have to uh, go backward, because we are traversing from the backward. So index minus 1, comma, n, comma dp. So finally I have to return dp of index of n equals to, what I will return, dp of take, comma not take, take plus not take. So now let's run this and see if this will work or not. It is giving me some error, so it will be value. If value of that index is less than equals to, value was not created. Oh, I have to pass the value also, value array. So let's copy this and paste this error, because in solve function I didn't pass the value vector. So यहाँ पे भी लिखना पड़ेगा value, और यहाँ पर भी लिखना पड़ेगा value. Now let's run this. Now again it is giving me some error. Now I think it will work perfect. Let's compile and run this. So yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this. Yeah, it is working perfect. So this was the complete code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. If you want, you can find the time and the space complexity and you can comment to me. I will reply you. Okay. So, तब तक के लिए bye.